going on, Noir Gang? So we're back again. This time, like I said last video, we were gonna do the install for the brand new Stillen Gen 2 intakes. I found out they are for sure Gen 2. Thing is, I'm being kind of lazy. I really don't want to install these right now, but for the sake of actually doing it, it's just like my master cylinder. If I let it sit, I'm never gonna do it. By the way, I'll do that eventually. Let's just get straight into it. I guess let's just show you what I got right now. Right now, everything in this engine bay is stock. I'm not Rick stock, I'm actually stock. This is what I'm working with right now. But as you can see, stock box, stock intakes, that world's about to be over. I'm done. We're gonna get rid of these freaking useless boxes and let's see what kind of gains we actually get. Cause I don't know how much wheel horsepower I'm actually supposed to get out of these, but hopefully it's enough that you can actually feel a difference. I just wanna hope that it wasn't this install's not a waste of time. Noir Gang, just hold on, let's see. And I guess we can cue the montage of me installing these. I mean, I don't know. Hopefully this is supposedly a simple install, but nothing's ever simple. Something always happens, so stay tuned. All right, Noir Gang, I kind of lied. So I did this side already just because I wanted to make sure that I actually knew what I was doing. There is something that I will say is that this right here for like the anti-theft sensor, it doesn't really fit. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and try and cut this because I don't want that dangling there, but it's already done. We'll do this side. It has a reservoir. Thankfully that one already has a pre-cut, so that shouldn't be too much of an issue. But yeah, so let's just keep it going and hopefully it's smooth from here on out. Honestly, I would rate this like install really easy, like maybe like a 9 out of 10. But because it's like hand-me-down product and all that, a lot of the hoses are already kind of worn and it might be better if I just change them. So might be getting them on today. That hose is okay. I might be getting them on today, but I'm gonna definitely revisit that and just put like a fresh hose on that just to make sure there's no vacuum leaks. All right, let's get started on the other side.
You said she a classy lady, so I had to school her. Show her the ruler, show her why I'm cooler. Like polar bears in the winter fighting over Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, classic. T got bands in the plastic. And my vibe is fantastic. I'm feeling on top, nigga, like your addict. I'm 25 and feel outstanding. Bitch, I'm crafty, don't harass me unless you a freak and we in the backseat. Let's get nasty. Tell her. Yeah, fucking man, pull me up. Man, you gotta ride with me on this one.
All right, Noir Gang, so it's finally in. Like I said, I had issues with the theft sensor. That's done. But then also, this is kind of janky too. I don't have a clamp for this. I had to cut it in half. I'm pretty sure this is gonna break off. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a vacuum leak eventually, but thankfully the reservoir it clears just enough to not mess it up. That should be fine. Honestly, I don't know where I'm gonna tuck this, and I don't really want to keep messing with it because it's so old that it's just cracking on me. The other one's just hanging loose also too. But I mean, honestly, other than that, these are like I guess a temporary solution for now. I guess let's just use the butt dyno to see if there's actually any improvement, especially with throttle response. And then also this is ghetto too. It's just tucked in there. I did the best I could with what I had because since it's a hand-me-down product, like I said, everything is just kind of used and worn, and it is what it is. You can't complain when you're getting hooked up, so it is, you know, I'm gonna do the best that I can. All right, so Noir Gang, let's just do one butt dyno test. What are you guys doing? So we're gonna do one butt dyno test to see if you actually feel the improvement, like I said, and also just test to make sure I didn't blow my car up. So, all right, let's just see. We're gonna try and see if I blew up the car or not. I'm praying, Noir Gang, that I didn't mess anything up, because knowing me, I'm not a mechanic, so I probably botched this. But let's see. Start it up. No check engine light yet. I know that check engine light's gonna go on because one of my sensors is bad, so I'm kind of dying a little bit on the inside, I'm not gonna lie to you. All right, babe, get ready for our first butt dyno session. Ooh, let immediately you can tell actually there is a way better throttle response. So I guess the best thing you can do is give it a test. I'm gonna give it a test pull. I'm gonna drive around for like a minute or two, let the car warm up, and then we're gonna do a test pull just to see, because honestly that's the only way it's gonna work. Plus, I just want to beat the hell out of the car. So, dude, wow. All right, so test pull number 1. Car's kind of up to operating temp. Let's see. Let's just do a 40. All right. 3, 2, 1. See, the thing is, it's weird because my exhaust sounds different. The new intakes, it has like a more distinctive, like, do you hear it, babe, or no?
Yeah.
You hear it? Like, it has a way more distinctive sound, and it actually sounds better. Alright, and the whole point is, like, you do feel a slight better throttle response. I don't know, me personally, like I said, butt dyno wise, it feels really good. I don't know if there's any significant wheel horsepower gain, to be honest with you. I don't want to lie. It does just feel a tad bit faster, but I like it. Overall, I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm feeling it for like I said, for a hand-me-down product. It's actually doing well. I'm gonna double check the engine bay to make sure that nothing came loose. I don't want a random vacuum leak. All right, Norgan, I'm gonna pull back up and just kind of double check the engine bay, make sure everything's okay. All right, so 2 hard pulls later, that held up. I know it's still gonna come loose for sure. Making sure that there's no extra burning, because if you smell the burning smell, but I just want to make sure that's them neighbors doing barbecue, not my car doing barbecue. Yeah, I mean, no weird smells, nothing. Everything looks like it's on tight. So Norgang, like I said, this is actually pretty impressive. And Norgang, that's it for another video. So this time, I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but it is actually Saturday. It's the same day as last time. The same day as when I picked up the intakes. But let me tell you, it's just a small improvement. You actually can notice it just enough. But like I said, I wish I did a dyno before, so that way you can get a real before and after and see the actual gains on paper. At least driving it, you can feel the response, and it cleared my check engine light. So it might pop up again. I'm not sure, because I know I destroyed a sensor way back in the day. So if you guys like the video, just make sure you guys do like and subscribe, because again, the ball has just been rolling. Norgang keeps expanding, and that's pretty sick. Thank you guys for all the sharing, all the love and everything. We're gonna keep this going. I do have another mod for the Z coming in January. I'm gonna save it for next year, of course, obviously January. And then also I have the special video, the end of the year video special with a couple of YouTubers that we're all collabing. So that's gonna be a tight video itself. If you guys made it this far, like, again, if you haven't liked and subscribed already, please do. And I'll see you guys next video.